In today's video, we will be exploring 3 of the best Kwgt widget applications for Android. If you're looking to spruce up your home screen with stylish and functional widgets, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Andro 12 Kwgt. Andro 12 Kwgt is a popular widget application for Android devices that offers a collection of stylish and customizable widgets inspired by the design of Android 12. It provides users with a variety of widgets such as clocks, weather displays, battery indicators, and more. With Andro 12 Kwgt, users can personalize their home screens with sleek and modern widgets that complement the overall look of their device. The widgets are highly customizable, allowing users to adjust colors, fonts, sizes, and other elements to suit their preferences. Overall, Andro 12 Kwgt is a great choice for users looking to enhance the aesthetics of their Android device. Leaf Kwgt. Leaf Kwgt is a versatile widget application for Android devices that offers a range of elegantly designed widgets to customize your home screen. The widgets in Leaf Kwgt are known for their minimalist and nature-inspired design, featuring leaf motifs and earthy tones. Users can choose from various widget options, including clocks, calendars, weather forecasts, and battery monitors, all designed to blend seamlessly with different home screen setups. Leaf Kwgt allows users to tweak the widget's appearance by adjusting colors, sizes, and other elements to create a personalized look. Whether you prefer a clean and organic aesthetic or want to bring a touch of nature to your device. Like Kwgt. Like Kwgt is a creative widget application for Android that offers a collection of unique and eye-catching widgets to customize your device's home screen. The widgets in Like Kwgt come in various styles, ranging from artsy designs to futuristic layouts, catering to users with different tastes and preferences. Users can select from a selection of widgets like clocks, calendars, battery gauges, and more, each featuring vibrant colors and intricate details. Like Kwgt allows users to personalize their widgets by adjusting aspects such as colors, shapes, animations, and fonts, enabling them to create a one-of-a-kind home screen setup. And that's a wrap on our review of Andro 12 Kwgt, Leaf Kwgt, and Like Kwgt. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.